How to create a VK account on mobile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can create a VK account in your mobile. So the first step is of course download the VK mobile app. You can easily get it from your App Store or Google Play Store. For people who do not know what VK is, it is a Russian online social media and social networking service. So you can create an account after you download it. Open it up and you should see this right here. Now there are different options through which you can sign in. You will see an option that says simply log in. All you need to do is type in your email address here and then tap on login and then just go through with that. So there are different options to log in, but for that you will first need to have an account, and to create an account you will see a sign up option. Tap on sign up and the first step is of course typing in your mobile number. So type in your mobile number first. After you type in your mobile number, you'll get a code, and after you just put that code in, you will have created your VK account. And yeah, it's that simple. And yeah, that is basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.